What happens if you're charged with a serious crime but you can't afford a lawyer? One Supreme Court case changed the answer forever. In 1961, Clarence Earl Gideon was arrested in Florida and charged with felony burglary. When he appeared in court, Gideon asked the judge to appoint him an attorney because he could not afford one. The judge denied his request because, under Florida law at the time, attorneys were only appointed in capital cases. Forced to represent himself, Gideon was convicted and sentenced to prison. While incarcerated, he handwrote a petition to the United States Supreme Court, arguing that his constitutional rights had been violated. The central question: does the Sixth Amendment require states to provide an attorney to criminal defendants who cannot afford one? The Sixth Amendment guarantees the right to assistance of counsel in criminal prosecutions. Through the 14th Amendment, fundamental constitutional protections also apply to state courts. The Supreme Court recognized that a fair criminal trial is nearly impossible. When an ordinary person must defend themselves against trained prosecutors, legal representation is essential to ensuring due process and protecting constitutional rights. Without counsel, an accused person faces a significant disadvantage regardless of intelligence or education. The United States Supreme Court unanimously ruled 9-0 in favor of Gideon. The court held that states must provide legal counsel to indigent defendants charged with serious criminal offenses. Gideon's original conviction was overturned. At his retrial, with the assistance of a court-appointed attorney, he was acquitted. Gideon versus Wainwright transformed the American criminal justice system. Today, if a defendant cannot afford an attorney, the government generally must provide one. This decision remains one of the strongest protections of individual constitutional rights in history. Legal tech AI. Legal education powered by AI. Follow for more landmark cases every law student should know.